Hey guys, it's Christy from Rudy and Kelly Admissions. I'm here today to share with you how to apply to our school. This is our application, and listed below are all the items that you need to complete. First item is this application form filled out with your contact information. Second would be an essay, and that's just so we can get to know you a little bit better, your career goals, and what you want to do in the industry. Third would be the $100 non-refundable application fee. Fourth would be 2 photos of yourself. Fifth would be proof of high school graduation or your GED. Sixth would be identification, like a driver's license or identification, government identification. And then lastly would be a chat with us in the admissions department, just so we can get to know you a little bit better. So if you're looking to apply to Rudy and Kelly Academy, give us a call or text us today and we can set up a time to come visit with us.